Hi friends, welcome back to the second episode of Advanced Vocabulary for Band Score 9 in IELTS, Academic and General. Today's word is paucity. I've given you the pronunciation here. As you can see in the picture, it's a noun. And you can see two people speaking and they're using the word paucity. So today we are going to learn the usage of paucity and see how it is used in daily usage of daily conversation in your speaking and writing, as well as we are going to focus on IELTS usage. And as I had assured you, I'll be coming up with more frequent vocabulary, advanced vocabulary. Here I am back with another second episode of advanced vocabulary just for you. So let's move on and learn how to use paucity today. Well, here you can see I have used this noun in a sentence also. The paucity of women in leadership roles is a problem for the country. So what's the meaning of paucity? Paucity means something which is available in only small or insufficient amount. It could be anything. And suppose you are using paucity in your essay twice or thrice, you know that IELTS requires you to use synonyms. So what are the synonyms of paucity? It's scarcity, sparseness, dearth, or shortage. So dearth or shortage. So you could use any one of these synonyms when you are using it the second time or the third time. Now, let's see how people who would like to speak fluently using advanced vocabulary can use it in their speech. The police cannot act with such a paucity of evidence. Another sentence, there is a paucity of information on the ingredients of many cosmetics. So you might have got the point now that you can use paucity in your daily speech whenever you're trying to hint at a lack of something. Now let's see how advanced IELTS requires your usage of paucity. Now in IELTS, if you're supposed to score above 7, that is 7.5 or 8 and 9, so you need to use advanced IELTS words, advanced vocabulary. So here we are going to see how we can use paucity, and I have chosen a category for you, that is education. Let's see one sentence where you can use this in your body paragraph. It could be in the supporting details. The paucity of trained educators and infrastructure in underdeveloped countries can prove to be detrimental to their progress. So when you are preparing your vocabulary bank, as I had instructed you in my previous videos, then here you could add the sentence in the category education. Let's take one more category, that is health. And how can you use it? The paucity of well-equipped hospitals in third world countries is a major threat to the lives of the masses. Masses means its citizens, its people. Okay, so here is how you're going to write using advanced vocabulary in your body paragraphs. And I've given you just two examples, and you can frame more of such examples for different categories. And for categories, of course, you'll have to go back to my video on categories. If you need a link, I'll definitely post it in my description box. Okay, let's focus on a template using paucity, and I have framed two templates for you using the same sentences. Let's see how I have framed templates, and you have to learn how to frame templates in the same way using different words. Now, the paucity of dash is proving to be a serious concern in dash. Now, if you use this as a general template, you can use it in any category. It might be education, it might be health or business or government or politics or whatever it is, whatever category. For categories, again, I recommend you to go back to my video on categories and how to write the body paragraphs, how to write the essay structure. You might be aware, to those of you who have already subscribed, I have made special episodes on all these topics. And to my new watchers, new viewers, I would like to suggest you to go back to my previous videos and watch how to write body paragraphs using advanced vocabulary. In fact, go to the basics of essay writing, that is how to write the structure. So if you want the link, of course, I'll definitely post the link. You can go to the particular link and see what you actually require. Okay, let's go to the next template, that is the paucity of dash could be detrimental to, or you could use the article the dash and hence needs to be addressed on a war footing. Now, addressed on a footing, whenever there is a war, we need the citizens, the nations need to prepare it for the war on a very massive scale. So any problem, you could use war footing also for any problem, any such problem, that is maybe the problem of mass unemployment or maybe eliminating poverty. So it could be any such huge social concern. So in that context, you can use paucity. The paucity of dash could be detrimental to the masses and hence needs to be addressed on a war footing. So use this as a general template and include it in your general templates, and you can use it for any categories. That's all for today, my dear viewers. And once again, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, English IELTS Coach. And if you need my online services, I'm always available for you. And you can go ahead and WhatsApp me on the given number. And to know more about my training, my research on this field, you can visit my Facebook page, that is English IELTS Coach. Do not forget that I have an Instagram page also. And you're welcome to contact me on this number and for any information regarding my videos. So that's all for today. I'll be back with more videos on the use of advanced vocabulary in order to score 8 or 9 in your IELTS. So do keep watching. So till then, bye bye for now. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.